Hey guys, so we have Busa here that wasn't starting very well. We noticed whenever, what year's the Busa by the way?
It's a 2007.
A 2007 Hayabusa that would not run very well. It would start up at idle, but anytime you try to give it any kind of throttle, it would die. And if you held the throttle open while you tried to start it, it would not start. So of course, my first suspicion was a fuel pressure issue. And so we came down, we primed the fuel pump, and then we went ahead and popped the hose off, and absolutely zero fuel came out of the hose, which is a huge red flag. The fuel pump was trying to prime. We could hear it running, but it simply was not moving any fuel. So we went ahead and decided to investigate the pump itself, and the pump very, very clearly had a clogged suction. You can see all that grime in there that was clogging the strainer, the intake strainer right here. So it's pretty straightforward. We just got to unclog the pump. Probably gonna have to change the strainer out. It is possible that the grime did make it into the pump, and the pump may need replacing, but at least at this point we do know what's wrong. You know, if cleaning the strainer and stuff out doesn't solve the problem, we can easily just replace the fuel pump and this bike will be running soon. So it's pretty straightforward. If you hear your pumps running and you're still not getting any kind of fuel pressure, just have a look, because I mean, if you're gonna throw it out anyways, you might as well dissect it first. There we go.